I have vinegar in here up to this line, and then I have baking soda up to here. And when I slide this in, I'm gonna shake it up twice, then put it down on the ground, and I have to get away quickly and it will shoot up into the sky.
That's what we think, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure it's really in there firmly.
Well, it's trial number 2 for this. So the first time I put it in and shook it up like right here, but this time I'm gonna try it right where I'm gonna set it down.
Whoa! On there really tight, really firm. Shake it up twice. Whoa!
Wow! So that worked. But this part...
The rocket didn't come with it. Maybe it doesn't have to.
Yeah. I
That
don't
worked
know.
really well. Nice and tight. 2 quick shakes and then down. Whoa!
The wings came off.
Kind of worked.
Check it out. Oh yeah. Through the strap.
Wow. That went super high.
That was pretty good.
And the wing stayed on.
Yeah. Little duct tape action.
I think that's what they did on the space shuttle. Space shuttle. Yeah.
Whatever.